Shoulder injury. Do this at the earliest. Hello friends. My name is Dr. Vijay Bang, consultant orthopedic shoulder surgeon from Ahmedabad. Have you had shoulder injury recently? Let me give you a few first aid tips which can help you to prevent further damage as well as ensure early recovery. Once you have a shoulder injury, the first thing you need to know is to remove the shoulder from the injured area. This will help in preventing further damage. Next, you need to apply shoulder immobilizer. You need to immobilize shoulder. In case immobilizer is not available, you can take a bandage and tie it around the chest, which will immobilize the shoulder. Next, third, you can apply ice. Ice packing ensures decreased swelling as well as decreased pain. Next, you need to rush to a shoulder surgeon at the earliest. And in case shoulder surgeon is not available to a nearby place, you can always take over-the-counter analgesics, pain relievers like paracetamol. Thank you.